Well, good Tuesday morning to you. Right now, I want to get you guys out the door with a check of the forecast. And as far as anything that's going to get away in that morning commute, no fog, no rain here on the southwest Florida side of the state, but you don't have to go very far to pick up a little activity there. We got showers between Fort Lauderdale, South Beach, and Key Biscayne, and that will stay over on the other coast as we go throughout not only the morning, but the afternoon. Like yesterday, our temperatures will get back in the upper 70s, and we're going to see some clouds on and off throughout the day. So we're going to call it partly sunny because at times we'll see some sunshine break through, and other times it's going to look a little cloudy out there, and that will continue right through the overnight hours as well. We could see a couple of very small showers out over the Everglades later on. On your Monday, we hit 79, average is 75, so we were slightly above average, but nowhere near the records on the date, which was up to 88 there in Fort Myers and 89 in Naples. We are just a little bit warmer this morning. We've got mid-50s for DeSoto, Charlotte, and Glades County. Then you get into the low to mid-60s from Fort Myers, Lehigh, all the way south through Marco. And you can see we are up 2 to 5 degrees. So just a little bit warmer this morning, but a really nice one. When you step outside, dew point values are still low enough that it's comfortable, but those numbers are starting to increase a bit. We're in the mid to upper 50s compared to the upper 30s we had on the map at this hour yesterday. Wind has been near 10 miles per hour sustained out of the northeast, and today it'll stay northeast to east before we get a little flip in the afternoon. But all in all, a nice day, almost a copy-paste forecast from what we saw yesterday with temperatures going up in the upper 70s. And tonight we're going to see upper 50s along the Peace River, low to mid 60s to the south as we wait for much cooler weather later on. Tomorrow it's going to be in the mid 70s as we see a big increase in the cloud cover. You see the cold air across the Midwest and Northeast here. We have two areas we're watching for active weather. Little low bringing some snow across Wisconsin and the UP of Michigan, and a cutoff low sitting over Texas. You can pick that up there in the upper levels. What we're watching is another big dip in the jet stream. That's the more powerful front Thursday into Friday. We'll see a reinforcing shot of cold air coming up Sunday into Monday, and this trough is going to stay here even into early parts of next week. So the weather pattern has really done a big flip with the active weather now on the East Coast. Just how cool will we get? Well, we got to deal with some rain on Thursday morning. Skies clear. We're going to wake up to mid to upper 30s, and that does not count the wind chill, which will make it feel even colder on Friday.